Okay, so I'm here to talk to y'all about my top hair care products of 2019 and for natural hair. What I'm gonna start with first are my oils. I love to use the extra virgin coconut oil, unrefined, and the extra virgin olive oil. Now, if you watched my last video, y'all would know that those two are like my go-to oils. I don't just use it for my hair, I use it for my skin, my whole body. And these products to me will never get old. They are so moisturizing and they definitely do the job, like always. I love those products. They always do their job, and so those are my top hair care product no matter what the year is. Now I'm gonna move on to my Shea Moisture products. I like to use the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil. Yeah, Mafura Oil. Intensive Hydration Twist Defining Custard. Y'all, when I say this does the job and works so good, this definitely does the job. This, whenever you want to do like a twist out, if you watch some of my other videos, you've seen I use this and you all will see how good this works. I love it. And then this is the Intensive Hydration Leave-In Milk, the Manuka Honey. Same line from this one. But this is the Leave-In Milk. I like this, but I'm not going to lie, it's real thick. And like I mentioned in my other videos, I normally don't too much care for like thick creams and stuff. I like stuff that's more watery and stuff because I just love stuff that gives me slip. Because we all know natural hair tangles easily. And even if you just detangled your hair can get tangled back by the next day or whatever. So, and nobody really likes to just sit and detangle their hair all the time. And it's not healthy to constantly do that. But that's the real reason why I just love, you know, more thin type stuff. But, you know, this is kind of thick, but I actually kind of liked it though. And then I also use the Shea Moisture Coconut Custard Make It Last Wash and Go Conditioner. This is how it looks. The bottle is kind of like bent from me squeezing and going to get it out. But this is kind of thick too. But this also does the job. I like that a lot. The treatment mask, I love to use Shea Moisture's Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask with sea kelp and argan oil. It's for dry, damaged hair. Sorry. And it heals, grows, and strengthens hair. And this is how it look. I got like some black stuff on it, but yeah. I like this. This is good to do like, you know, like deep condition your hair with or whatever. And these are just the Shea Moisture products that I have on hand. I'm not even gonna lie. If it says Shea Moisture, I pretty much have tried it. I like a bunch of Shea Moisture products. Like, I just be buying a bunch of their different lines. Because you know how they have like the Shea Moisture's Black Soap line. And there's a lot of others that I've used. And as I run out, I just get more. One of the main ones that I use all the time and that I love a lot, and the reason I don't have it for this video is because I actually used it all and threw it away before I realized, oh, I needed it for the video. But the Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner, Strengthen and Restore. I love that. I use the hair mask, I use the leave-in conditioner, and I'm actually going to put a picture right here so you all can see it. I love that one because it gives you a lot of slip and moisturizes your hair very well. I really love that Shea Moisture line, the Strengthen and Restore one. So make sure y'all, you know, try that one too if you haven't already. The next one that I want to talk to you all about is the Suave Professionals with natural shea butter and pure coconut oil. And this line came out in 2019 and I actually like it. This is the curl defining cream. And then this one is the leave-in conditioner. And this is the shampoo. And I had the conditioner, but I ran out. And y'all, I use a bunch of conditioner, leave-in conditioner and conditioner. I use a lot of it. Okay, so I actually like this line too, and then this provides a lot of slip and stuff too, the leave-in conditioner. The shampoo, it's sulfate free and it's a cleansing shampoo, so that's really good. It gently cleanses and moisturizes. There's no sulfates, parabens, it's color safe, and it's no dye. So I mean, this line is very good. Now the shampoo I don't too much care for, but I really don't care for any shampoos, to be honest. All shampoos pretty much tangle the hair, so that's the only reason why I really don't care for no shampoos. Yeah, this line I used a lot in 2019 along with the Shea Moisture, and then the Pantene's Truly Natural Hair Curl Defining Conditioner. I love this so much. This conditioner works so good, y'all. I've actually been using Pantene's Truly Natural hairline for a while. This is the conditioner. I stay buying the conditioner. Now the shampoo, I get that sometimes too, but I really love the conditioner, and it smells good. It smells good, y'all. Trust me, it smells good. Eco Styler Gel. Y'all, this is the only gel that I use is Eco Styler Gel, and I actually use all of them. Like, this is the Crystal Eco Styler Gel. The hold is 10. I always get max hold 10 because I want all the hold I can get. That's just me personally. I've used the Eco Styler Gel with flaxseed. I've also used the Eco Styler Gel with coconut oil. What other one is it? I believe, yep, the Eco Styler Gel with the argan oil. I've used all of them. This is the main one I like, the crystal one. I don't know why, but I always get the whole 10. And I don't know why I like the crystal one the best. I just do. But Eco Styler Gel, that's my favorite gel to use. So honestly, these products, these are like the main products that I used in 2019 that I would continue using. All of Shea Moisture stuff, the Suave with natural shea butter. I'll continue to use this. I'll continue to use my Eco Styler Gel, and I'll continue to use the Pantene's Truly Natural. I've been using this for years, Shea Moisture for years. So yeah, I just love those a lot. Okay, top product of 2019, spray bottle. A spray bottle will never get old. I mean, never. Spray bottles come in handy all the time, especially in the summertime. Now, I mainly use my spray bottle in the winter time at night, because at night, you know, your hair is wet. You don't want to have to go out during the day with your hair wet. So I mainly use a spray bottle at night in the winter. I may use it in the morning, but it'll be just to lightly damp my hair or my kids' hair. And a top product for me that's not have to do with hair is sugar scrub. I actually got this from Walmart. This sugar scrub smells so freaking good. It is marula and jasmine, and it works good. It smells so good, y'all, and it'll leave your body so soft. I love this sugar scrub. So top 2019 product, sugar scrub. You guys should try it. Also, another one that I like is Shea Moisture's Detoxifying Foaming Facial Wash. This is so good. When I seen this, I was like, Shea Moisture came out with a facial wash? What? I had to try it, y'all. I love it. And I actually had the scrub that goes along with this, but I threw it out because I ran out. But I still have some of the facial wash that I'm able to show y'all. Now I am going to go get some more of this and go get the some more of the scrub. It's liquid and it comes out as foam. See? It comes out as foam. It deeply cleanses and detoxifies skin of dirt, impurities, and makeup with the gentle sulfate-free foaming facial wash. Clarifying African black soap. Now, I was a little iffy about using this because black soap, I've tried it before and it just dries my skin out so freaking bad. I just can't stand the way it dries my face out, my hand, any part of my body. Black soap just dries the freak out of my face. but this actually doesn't dry my face like black soap normally does. And it says it has added benefits of bamboo charcoal to help to balance oily, blemish prone skin. um Cooling aloe soothes and nourishes the skin, leaving it clean, smooth, and refreshed. So maybe that's why too, because all of the extra added ingredients that's in here. But I love this a lot. And another one that I wanted to show you guys is a hooded dryer for when you are doing your deep conditioners. I actually seen the Glam Twins use this. And they have nice, long, pretty hair, the Glam Twins. And I ordered this from Amazon. It's just a hooded dryer. And it's in, you can attach a blow dryer to it. It's an attachment. You just attach the blow dryer to this end, and then you stick it on your head. Cause I've been wanting a hooded dryer for a while, but I ain't gonna lie, I didn't want one of those big hooded dryers from like back in the day that my mom used to use on our hair, and that they just used to use back then. I don't know why, I just didn't want one of those. And so when I seen this, I'm like, oh wow, that's perfect. And it does work good. It gets the job done. It works like a regular hooded dryer, and as you can see, it comes in this pouch, so it's easy to, like, if you needed to put it in your luggage to travel with, it's good to travel with. I would recommend to travel with it. Because, you know, a lot of hotels and stuff, they tend to have blow dryers there if you forget or don't want to bring your own. I know they normally tend to have their own blow dryers. But yeah, that's basically my products of 2019 and for natural hair. I hope you got this was helpful for any of you all. Like I said, these products that I named, they are good. I've used many of times. Comment down below and tell me what you think about any of these products, if you've used them, and if you have not used them and you have any questions about them, go ahead and comment that down below. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, because I am on the road to just reaching more people, gaining more subscribers, and just trying to help more naturals out there. Because one of the main reasons why I started this channel is because I've always gotten a lot of questions about my hair, a lot. And so I just want to help people and encourage people to go natural who isn't natural, and encourage people to stay natural who is already natural. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and see y'all next time.